Jamb 2011 economics past question number 16. If a firm is faced with an elastic supply curve, its supply will, option A says, be supplied at higher price, option B says double at lower price at higher price, option C says increase by more than the percentage increase in price, option D says equal percentage change in price. Now, elasticity of supply. Elasticity of supply. Elasticity of supply is a situation where a small change in price leads to a greater change in the quantity of goods supplied. In this case, elasticity is greater than 1. Elasticity, in this case, elasticity is greater than 1, but greater than 1 or unity, which is greater than 1 but less than infinity. Therefore, option C, the correct answer, which says increase by more than the percentage increase in price. That is the correct option. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.